Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Saif Ali Khan. Today in this video, we are going to solve a new DSA problem of Geeks for Geeks. Before going ahead, if you haven't liked this video, please like this video, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon so that you will never miss this types of awesome video whenever I upload. Okay. Before getting late, let's start the video. First and first, guys, what we are going to do is that first of all, we will uh, go to the where Geeks for Geeks site. We are solving the Geeks for Geeks problem right now. Okay, so let's you have to come on here Geeks for Geeks site, and in filter section and difficulty level you have to select the basic. Currently we are solving the basic problem. Okay, and in topic section you have to select the array. Okay, today this question is going to be very important role because this question already has been asked in Microsoft interview. Okay, Microsoft. So that you can see here that we are going to solve this question, that is find the fine. Let's deep dive into the program statement. What exactly it is saying? First of all, we will discuss this problem on whiteboard, and then we will jump to the coding part and all. Okay, we will also code a on code editor. First in first, we have to discuss very carefully the problem statement. Here, guys, let's understand the problem statement. Given an array of penalties, okay, fine, and array of car numbers, okay, car, and also the date. There are three things we have given. An array which indicates the fine, and second array that indicates the car, and third is date, a particular date. The task is to find the total fine which will be collected on the given date. Okay, our task is to find out the total fine which will be collected on a given date. Whatever they will give date in input, according to that we have to give them output. Okay, fine is collected. Fine is, there is a condition for how to collect the fine, that is fine is collected from odd numbered cards on event dates. Okay, if we have given event date, then we have to calculate the fine of odd numbers card. Okay, so and vice versa. Okay, let's jump to the whiteboard, and here we will understand the program statement. Okay, as first in first, what we have given. Okay, let's write down what we have given. We have given three things. We have given car array. Okay, car array, and it indicates, the element indicates the car number. Like that, let's suppose one, sorry, let me just erase it, it's my bad. Okay, so 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, all these are the car number. It indicates the car's number. And there is another array, that is fine. It indicates the fine of respective car numbers. Okay, so let's suppose first car has a fine 4 rupees, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, and there is another thing, that is date. Okay, date, we have given date can be odd or even. Date can be odd or even. Okay, so in input we will get date. Okay, it can be odd or even. According to this date we have to calculate. What we have to do, we have to calculate total fine of given date. Okay, guys. Okay, let's take an example. If we have given a date equal to 6. Okay, equal to 6 November. Then this is what? Odd number or even number? Obviously, this is even number. Okay. So we have to collect the total fine of a car. Okay. If the date is, if there is a condition there. Okay, we already understand. The date is 6, that is even. So we have to calculate the odd car numbers. We have to calculate the fine odd car numbers. Okay, and vice versa. If it is, let's suppose that is 7, then that is, this is odd. So in that situation, what we have to do? We will have to collect the fine for what? Collect fine for even car number. Okay, let's take an example. If we have given 6, okay, we have given 6. Okay, later this is what? Car array. Okay, let's suppose this is car array. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, and another is, that is fine. Okay, fine is 4 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, now we have given a date. Okay, we have given a date, that is 6, so that is even. So in this case, we have to calculate the fine of a odd number card. So that is odd. This is also odd. This is also odd. So the fine of this card indicates 4, and the fine of for this card is 7. The fine for this card is 9. So we have to calculate the total fine. So total fine equal to total fine equal to 4 plus 7 plus 9 equal to how much? 7 plus 4, 11, 20. Okay, I hope you got my point. Okay, this is the concept. Okay, what we have to apply on code editor. Okay, we will write on this concept code. Okay, let's go to the code editor and we will write code there. Okay, guys, let's come in here. Oh my god, this problem is not available in JavaScript. Okay, what we will do? Okay, let's try in Java. Okay, guys, today we will write the code in Java. That's very interesting. Okay, so first in first, what in this method you can say that long and that is the length of the array, and date is the date, and long car array and fine array. So we will declare a variable that is long what? Total fine initial value is 0. Okay, we have two conditions. Date can be odd or even. Okay, so we will just filter out if date modulus 2 equal 0. It means what? This is the even. Okay, even date. Or in else part, else in else block we will calculate the fine of the car, which will be odd date. Okay, so in even date we have to calculate the fine of the car whose number is odd, because it is vice versa. Okay, opposite. So what we will do, we will that we will use the for loop for int I equal 0 and I will be less than n and I plus plus. Okay, guys, So here what we will do basically, we'll reassign the value, that is total fine, total total fine plus equals to what, plus equal to car. Okay, there is the, yes, fine, we have to add the fine. So fine of what? Fine of what? Okay, we have to use the if loop here also, because because we have to just use if loop inside the for, because in car array we have a different number car. Okay, it can be odd, it can be even. Okay, so here we have to only calculate the fine for odd number car. Okay, so if car array of I modulus 2 equal 1, that is, oh, even not, oh sorry, that is odd. So we will just calculate the fine, total fine plus equals to what, equals to fine of I. Okay guys, now in else block, just I will copy and paste this code. We have to change only condition. Okay, so control C, control V, and what we will do basically, we will just change this condition equal to 0. And okay, here is the else block. It means that it is odd date. Odd date, we have to calculate the fine for the, okay, even number card. So car of I, okay, modulus 2 equal 0, then calculate the fine and finally return the total fine. Okay, return total fine. Okay guys, let's compile and run. What will happen? I will see there. Okay, I hope this would work because, okay, nice, fantastic. Our output and expected output both are equal. Let's submit the whole test case. How much test case are there? All these test case has been passed or not. If not, then we will debug. Okay, I hope it will pass. Okay, my God, fantastic, very good. Very good, fantastic. Guys, this was the video. I hope this video was helpful for you, because this question is important. Why? It has been already asked in a Microsoft interview. This is a little bit tricky problem. So I hope you are writing this code from yourself. You watch this video and just we have to write code from ourselves in code editor or anywhere, whatever you want. But there is a condition. If you want to improve your problem solving skill, then just you have to write code from yourself. It's not like that you come here, watch this video and like movie and go from here. Never will be improvement. You will never see improvement in yourself. So I requested to you, please write the code, whatever you want, wherever you want, write the code from yourself. And at last, just like this video, subscribe this channel, press the bell icon so that you will never miss this type of awesome video. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in the next time.